Hey, y'all, wake up, man. So, man, we got a major problem, right? My Andis T edges then broke on me. I done kind of took them apart a little bit, but the little bracket that holds the blade just dry broke on me, man. This been happening a lot with these electric clippers, cause man, it's like they so fragile nowadays, right? And you know, they just break so easily, right? So check this out. Check it out. Let's see if I can get that in there. Look at that. Get that. See if I can get y'all a better view of it. So if you look, see how the bracket kind of broke right there? Look at that. It's supposed to be two of these, but it's just one that hold the blade. So what I got right here, of course, I bought a newer part. So we gotta take this off of here, put it on one of these, and then put it on there. This is the part that holds the moving blade and help it move. So if they not cutting right or you hear a sound in them, that may be the problem. But that's the problem with mine. And I ordered this part here from I think Amazon, right? So we finna put it on now. So of course we're gonna have to remove this blade. I've not already started, but I decided I wanted to record and let y'all in on it. But like I said, and then right here, see if I can zoom in. Boom. We're gonna take this bracket off. See, that's where the problem is. See, it's supposed to be, let's see if I can get that to zoom in. There we go. See, it's supposed to be two like that, right? But we gotta take it off of this big piece here and put it on this one right here. So let's see how we're gonna do that without damaging it. Y'all excuse me, I don't know the right names of these tools or nothing like that, but hey, we're gonna get it done. Let's see here. Try to pop this up off of there. Slide the pull out right on up out of there. All right, easy peasy. So we're gonna have to take it off here and put this new one on. Probably use the same method. Snap, we hear that little pop. Make sure we do it right. Right up off of there. Take the new one. Slide it right up on there. Right? Until we hear that little snapping sound right there. We want to hear that snapping sound. Make sure it's locked on there. All right. It's harder than what it looked like. I promise you. I'm gonna try to push it up on there. It's the little stuff like this that get on my damn nerves with these clippers. But it must be done. There it is. Got it on now. So now, of course, I'm gonna slide it. Slide it right back on now. Boom. We in the game, baby. Let's see. Let's see here. Now I gotta know how to put the stuff back together. Any one of these brackets are fine. They both, I also got a new one in there with it. Boy, I'm confused as hell right now. There we go, I think. Let's see. Boy, I'm doing this all wrong at some point. Tell you that right now. I'm doing this all wrong at some point. It don't even feel right. Yeah, it don't even feel right. All right. Let's hope that's right. I hope that's right. I doubt it. They don't even feel right. Let's see. God damn it, let's see. Okay. Might be right. Might be on to something. I don't know. Might be on to something here. Might be right. Yeah, I wasn't paying attention when I was taking them loose, but it seems pretty right. Everything is fitting in its space like it's supposed to. I'm kind of push down on this. You gotta try to hold it all together. You hear everything snap like that, and you know everything is in place. I already got the blade set, so I'm gonna try to hold it like that. Put the screws in. Like I said, y'all excuse me if I'm doing this wrong. I can cut better than I can fix a goddamn clip, I'll tell you that much. Yeah, it is. Let's see. Look good to you? Look good to me, god damn it. Look good to me, god damn it. Let's listen to that thing. All right. See the little gap between the blade right there? That means something is out of place. Something ain't right somewhere. Something's out of whack somewhere. It's too loose. See how loose that is? See how loose that is? See that gap? See, I'll be 100% transparent over here. And we gonna fix that. Whatever it may be. Whatever it may be. One of y'all watching this video like, man, Cole don't know nothing about clippers. You know, you got your barbers that's clipper heads, and you got your barber that's know how to cut and keep clients, you know. I ain't one of them barbers that's super, I'm not a clipper nerd. I love those type of barbers because, man, they get to do it all. So I'm gonna put it right here on track. Maybe that's what I did wrong. But yeah, I give props to the clipper nerds because, see, we put it on track. But I give props to the clipper nerds because I can go watch their video and see how to put this together. And that feels much better right there. But when it comes to these clippers, man, the faster you get it repaired, the faster you can get back to cutting. You know, I'll put the link in the description for that blade. I mean, for that little part, because they're not that easy to find. There we go. Hey. Now we ain't got no more gap. The blade on there is already set. Nice. We back in the game. Yeah, buddy. Things on it smooth too. We back in the game. we back in the game. Clip it back to where it needs to be. The blade back to where it needs to be. Yep. Done deal. Need a little test. Yep. Back where we need to be, baby. Back where we need to be. Let's get it. So we got them fixed. We got them back on track. You know, if you're having this problem, like I said, I'm gonna put the link to that part in the description of this video. You can grab it for yourself. Yeah, man, you hear any noise in those clippers, just take them loose, man. These newer clippers, like I said, they are very fragile, and these little things like that will happen, and you'll be cutting and you thinking, God damn, man, I know they ain't hitting like they supposed to be hitting, because that's what happened with me. You know, they wasn't hitting like they supposed to be hitting. So I'm like, man, something ain't right. And something just said, look at the blade. And I looked under there, and one of those brackets were broke. I don't know what the hell happened. I don't know if it's because I dropped them. I don't know, right? But that little part, I forgot the price. Can't be no more than $30, $35 or something like that. But it's real essential. Like I said, the description of it will be in the video, man. Yeah, we back on track, baby. Y'all like the video, comment, subscribe. We got hella more content coming out. Look, just stay in tune, man. Y'all wake y'all asses up.